Hello, this is Renee. Welcome back to my channel. I've been kind of busy with life and trying to get this house, trying to make it home. I thought about making, like, for the whole summer, getting the kids involved and letting them do hair videos, but see, what had happened was when I do their hair and I wash their hair, they go outside and they come back with dirt, mud, grass, leaves, you name it, it's in their hair. And I'm sitting like, how did that happen? Really? Like, tell me, what were you thinking when you rolled around in the grass? It's just almost every day. And because it's summertime and they have the freedom to go outside and enjoy and not being cooped up in the house, I want them to go outside. So because of that, I haven't really been doing any, like, trying new products. I wash their hair, condition their hair, and put it basically in a protective style. It's just, it seems like the right thing to do. I did come today with a video of little Ellie. In this video, I'm going to be trying out the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, define and shine custard. So let's jump into the video.
Hi. Hey.
Ellie, you better not stick that in there. That brush don't go in there. Well, you can't spray that in there either. Stop. Stop, Ellie. No. Stop. Look. 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 Look at there. Look at there. Nah. I don't need you to wipe your hair. You got crumbs all over your hand. Ellie, no. Sissy gonna get you some marshmallows, okay? like it? Is that a no? A yes?